Lion SS330 Carnauba Paste Wax is made with Brazilian Carnauba, is a pre-softened formula leaving a hard glass-like finish, is easy to apply using the provided applicator pad, dries clear and leaves no residue, and works great on clear coat finishes. First, wash the car completely, followed by rinsing and drying. Next, using the provided applicator pad, dip into the wax and apply in a circular motion. Finally, buff off after product is dried to a fine haze. Be sure to read all directions and safety precautions on the back label. And always consult with a professional for use of any product. Drive with confidence with the strength of Lion.